God. What up, Shreyas? I see the webcam's not working. 1 second. There we go. I'm just a shy guy. I'm just a shy little guy, Anders. All right, let's see here. Are we still running a dev server? It looks like it died. Some good old freaking. What is this? Why can't I think of their name? I listened to this band so much as a teenager. Day to remember. I'm just a shy guy. All right, right. We were working on the 310 or 1031 component, which is up here, and then it's this guy. And I had instructions on how to actually do this. So I think we might have to update our 1031 data pool. I think it might be wrong. So let's go to our queries. Queries, and we want this one. Yeah, this isn't completely right. Or maybe it is. Let's go to drive.google quick. And let's open this one. Actual is M15, which should be the total, yeah, of qualified suspects. This is going to be fact finders, which you can see new fact finders total 241. AE15 is new clients. V23 yeah, okay. Chat. That's how we do it. So I do think we have everything there. B4. Maybe not. B24. And where'd this number come from? AE15. No, that's right. I did it right. Report row QS divided by that. No, it's not. We have an extra thing in here. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. This view's wrong. Damn it. I was wrong. I don't know. I didn't see chat till right now, Anders. I think this is wrong right there. All right, so this ends up looking like jump over to data group. And we'll go ahead and open a new console. In fact, we may have a console open. Maybe. Paste that in. And this should be able to run, and that should give us data. Yeah, see? And this ends up being... we have new clients, new fact finders, QS, P23. So we can get rid of this last slash. And this is like 10, or this is the 3 ratio, I guess. I don't know what else to call this. And then we have another ratio that's like... Okay. What's the keybind of format code? Option Command L. Why do I have that highlighted? Oh, that's why. I don't know how to clear that, so we're just gonna live with it. And then I think the last one we want is, this is I think we might have done that backwards too. Yeah, this is new clients. Command Shift L. There we go. I don't know why this is like that. It's kind of driving me crazy. I think this is new fact finders over qualified as 1 ratio. That is new fact finders. No, I had that wrong. And this is new clients. All right, I think that's right. We see, yeah, 38% and 8%. All right, that looks right. All right, let's yoink that. And we're gonna run this over to here. We're gonna replace our old SQL. Paste that in. What? There we go. We might have to run a, we'll probably have to run a migration for that. Run my drizzle. Yeah, generate. Let's go look at that. Night nurse. Yep, that looks better. Yeah, it drops the view and recreates it. Yeah, great. Migrate. No. And then we can go up here. I think that just needs to be nuked. There we go. Now, if we look at that actual view in our database, we should see this update. And we go to 10.3.1, and we should have those columns. Great. Which that breaks our app now, because we just changed types and data format out from underneath of us. So let's go fix that. That is Data Grip. It's a JetBrains product. Let's see here. That is going to be in here, maybe. There's like a, I have a types somewhere. Yeah, this is the types I was looking for. Oh, we just have an infer select. So that auto updated for us. Might just have to kick the LSP. This isn't right. I'm going to delete this comment. Ah, I never updated this. We have a 3 ratio and a 1 ratio. There we go. We should transform that. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we were doing this completely wrong. This is not like a target situation. So how do we want this to look? That's the question now. Because this is ugly as sin. I mean, I guess we can just do a table, right? It's fine. Let's come in here, and rather than even doing that, we'll come in here. We have card content, and let's just delete all this, and we'll grab a table. And let's see where else we use table. We can copy and paste some code. Yeah, we can take it from the client's card. It's probably the best card to steal the table from. We'll just yoink that. And we'll go back here, throw that in, go back again, grab the import, update our import. Right, and now we get rid of the client body. Or really we can just do, probably want to keep 1 cell or 2 cells. And then we'll get rid of all U up to the row. We don't need each. We can get rid of those. And we need 3 rows. And in row 1, this is going to be 10. And this will be number formatter, display number formatter, display number formatter dot format. This will be data dot LSP restart. That should have auto percolated. Yo, I miss when Kanye did good music too. Facts, dude. Data dot, that is qualified leads. And the next one is going to be...
Speaks the gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes.
Thank you, Oki.
The sand is in my veins.
Hey, man, how did
Come
you
right
get
to camel
good
with
tree
me
sitter and formatting
today.
in Svelte? When I do it in NeoVim, it's completely borked. Tree sitter update. Let me see here. I think I might have installed a... What was it? Check health. Is that where I see my list of tree sitter syntaxes? I have the the LSP wouldn't do anything, I don't think. Tree sitter parser. Yeah, I use the Svelte tree sitter parser. I've never had problems. It's always just worked for me. All right, so this is going to end up being, this will be our ratio formatter. If I could import. Format.
Functions describe the world.
What is happening here? Yeah, no problem. We are making a app, which is over here called R10, which is a coaching platform for financial advisors. For a financial advisor to coach other financial advisors, I should say, rather. This is going to be our 3 ratio. And then this becomes ratio formatter, or no, this is a value, and this is new fact finders. So yoink you. And this actually becomes new fact. I need to... Hey, my plugin updated. So we have that. Our 3rd row, we can probably just copy this one again, right? And then in here, this will become 1 ratio. This will become the value in that cell is new clients. I think that's right. If we drop this into our app now, we can drop this into client dashboard. Next important data points, we can do 10, 3, 1. Data is going to equal report.summary.10 total 1031 / that. Yeah. And our card, we saw that the value, let me make this smaller. We have 10. All right, we calculated this wrong. Although these numbers are for different people. So this might be right. We just have to go look at, actually, yeah, let's go look at this. We should see 10, 38, 8, 641, 241, 53, 5. Is that what we do see? Fuck, I can't see. 10, 37.6, 8.3, 640. First try, chat. First try. We need to fix this. But I am going to go let the dogs out and run to the bathroom and grind beans for my next cup of coffee. I will be back in 2 or 3 minutes, and we will start implementing this stuff down here now. So we have the whole dashboard up here implemented, right? We come and look, there it is. We gotta fix some styles there, but otherwise the dashboard's here. He's gonna use his grinder. Yeah. My bean grinder's actually an app. All right, I'll be right back. Music just died because my headphones died. Okay, cool. I have to go get another pair of headphones because we almost just got copyright struck. I'll be right back. Fuck. There we go. Okay, now I'll be right back. Okie dokie. He took 3 trips to be back. I know, dude. It was chaotic. I didn't expect my headphones to die in the middle of that. All right. Let's fix this. This doesn't look good. I don't know what we can do to make this look better. I don't know where that 5% and 3% come from. Grinder was great. So many matches here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Gosh. Whatever. This is fine. I actually don't know how this chart gets made. Standard deviation. It must be from this. AF15, 153. What did it say? AF15? All right, let's do a repeat sales opportunity next. I don't know if I answered your question, Josh, but I'm doing well. Busy, but doing well. Redux versus Zustan? I don't know. I like both. My first conference talk was on Redux, so it has a special place in my heart. Way back in 2018, 2019, somewhere like that. Five years ago. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. First conference talk I ever gave. Even back then, look at my font. I was still using cursive fonts back then. Dude, my hair was so short. I was working at the Department of Defense at the time, so I was around military people all the time. This was my favorite slide right here of the whole talk. Hold on, I'm gonna actually pause the music and I want to listen to this because this was such a good point, and I still like this. Dude, nice. What a twink. Your third topic, explain my reason for liking Zoostan more because of all the boilerplate code. I don't think you need that much boilerplate for Redux if you use Redux Toolkit. But I also think Zoostan's a great option, and I would probably, I don't know, I don't build a lot of things that would have a need for Zoostan or Redux anymore. But if I did, I'd probably use Zoostan. I don't know. I think it fundamentally doesn't matter, right? Like they're both very high quality pieces of software that solve the same problem. You can make a mess with either of them, or you can make really good software with either of them. All right, we need to go write a new view for this data here. So let's hop into our query console. We'll start with this. Drop down here. DGs, paste that, and then let's pull up Chrome and get that. Oh my God. Bump that over. We want this sheets. And we're grabbing repeat sales opportunities. So where's that at? Here we go. Repeat sales opportunities. This block right here. You just found one for me. You can put it back where you found it, Unders. It's alright. You don't need to share it with me. It's okay. You can keep it for yourself. I don't need this one. You can have it. M38. We want report dot M38 is going to be over here. Total households. Where do you come from? Uh-oh, chat.
Need a fit check.
Looks good.
Is it cute?
Very cute.
Okay, great. I'm my pants too long? I only ever wear them with heels.
No, they look good.
They look good. Okay.
Chat, I don't think we get total households on the report. I don't see 305 anywhere on here.
Did they eat already?
Uh-uh. Oh, total households comes from the assessment. Right? We have that on the assessment. Right here. This. So we need to join on this table. Oh, this is going to be an insanely annoying join. All right, so we need this right here. Let's grab that. This is like basically hard coded enough to keep in a that's that. And we need to join assessment answer on, say this is as assessment on assessment dot user. Oh, dude, can I not get the? I have to do a double join here. Oh no, I don't. We could have designed this better, honestly, but that's okay. And assessment dot question ID and that's still not right because we have to, oh, dude, this is really annoying. I don't have a good way to just get the answer for a user. I really should have put user ID on this table. Because to get the user, I have to look up on user assessment, which on user assessment, where the hell is that? Okay. This is going to be more like join user assessment on, I'll just say and then, so we have the user assessment, and then we take this, which is going to be assessment answer. We'll say answer, and we're going to join this on answer dot user assessment ID is equal to assessment dot ID, and answer dot question ID is equal to this value right here, assessment. I think that's the query. Syntax error near from. Right. Okay, so the query works. So we probably want an assessment ID. No, we don't even want that. We probably want a user assessment ID, which will be ASS that dot ID as, and then we want answer dot response as number of households. Yeah. I think that's right. So we want to grab this question ID, copy that, and in answers, we want to filter the question on that value. And we should see, yep, 123 for both of those. And let's just update this to make sure we're like actually getting updated values over here. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why I'm getting three results though. It's possible I submitted, okay, 3 reports. Yeah, that's why. All right, so we have number of households. That part is done. And then after number of households, we need repeat should be, ooh, that's a fun little W41, which is, so that's total households. So this value becomes answer dot response. We're gonna need another set of parens. We need to convert this to a number. I don't know how to do that off the top of my head. Cast PG text column to number. What up, Patel? Unders, you've definitely asked me that. I don't know if I've done it. It might be there, but I'm not sure. I will make sure though. Yeah, I probably won't get to it today. I'm gonna fix all the billing stuff today. Hopefully. And then I'll think about that. Everyone's pretty busy on the team right now. If you want, you can go, if you make a pull request, I will review it and I'll merge it async. Dude, yeah, if you do it, open up a PR and I approve it, I will gas you to fuck up in every channel I can. How did I lose data grip? I got distracted. I got nerd sniped by you. Classic. I am way too nerd snipeable. Alright, I'm just gonna copy this formula real quick and throw that as a comment over here. And alright, so we're gonna multiply this by 0.2. And then we're gonna multiply that by 1.5. As, what is this called? Repeat sales should be. What's this upset about? Oh. So we should see the value of 91.5 there. 36.9. Oh, it's because we're looking at different numbers. I'm an idiot. I was like, why is this not adding up? So let's go add 305. Make this actual be the right number. Submit that. which means we should now have this equal the number we thought, 91.5. Okay, that's right. Oh, my bad. I'm almost out of coffee. Got another swig left. All right. We have that one. Estimated actual repeat sales is AD 17, which, where does that come from? That must be over here. AD 17 is lives. So we should have report.lives, or what do we call that column? Oh shit, I need the annualized. All right. That's annoying. We have to go in here, and this is going to be, we want to replace report row with total report row. And then we're going to have to do another join because this is annoying, and I didn't think about this. Oh, fuck, did I just close that? What happened to my Scratch console? I hope I didn't lose that. There it is. We basically copied this join again, or as total. This one right here. And this is going to be annualized. We can copy this, and we'll replace total with annualized. And I'm hoping that just works. Yeah, okay, great. And we should see that as a report row type. Yeah, annualized, great. Back to our console, and we want to grab the math that we're trying to crunch here is we need lives off the annualized report row. So annualized report row dot submitted lives, place lives, place lives, AD17, which is that minus AD annualized report row dot place lives times 1.5 as, what do we call this column? Estimated actual repeat sales, comma, format, run the query. Wait, why can't I run this? There we go. And we should see 6. We see negative 42.775. First try. Yeah, cool. I don't already have enough doing my own job. I'll do yours as well. Perfect. You know how this works then, Anders. I was always told that a good leader delegates. So, just trying to help be a good leader for you.
My therapist also says it's good to delegate.
Yeah. See? Justine's on my side today, Anders.
Today.
I'm delegating my job to Anders.
Does that mean you'll hang out with me?
Yeah, sure.
Liar.
All right, we clearly didn't do this, right? Let's see what this ends up coming out as. We see 85.5. That's not the annualized row.
You're only allowed to delegate your job to Anders if it means you'll spend time with me.
Is that annualized? Or am I looking for the total? Oh, that is the total.
Gonna ignore that.
I didn't hear what you said. I'm gonna be honest. I was reading numbers.
I said you can only delegate your job to Anders if it means you'll spend time with me.
Okay. Anders, you heard the woman.
I'm going to work though. I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
W41. No, AD17. 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 AD17 is annualized. 86. That must be rounded. No, it's not. I think our parser might have a bug, chat. Can I grab this? Where report ID? $85.5. Yeah, that's wrong. Look at this. Our annualized row is identical to our total row. So our parser is placing total and annualized. All right, we get to write some effect. That's going to be in here. Get rows. Get cell. Handle process metric upload. Partition rows. Get rows. Partition rows. Parse date range. Parse row. Is it possible this is a off by one bug? This feels like an off by one bug, possibly. Unless, chat, look at this. We don't have a bug. The data might be wrong. Or it's so similar. Now I'm confused. So we see, what is that? Points. Is this just rounded? Yeah, look at this. They're the same values. Which is super weird. Where's month, lives, annual placed? Where's submitted? 127.4. Yet the analysis sheet has this. It's 85.5 and 86. AD 17 annualized. Ended up with 6. So we don't have a parser bug, actually. It's just coincidentally that close. And we don't see 6. This should be 6. 85.5, that's fine. That's the right value. Oh, AE 17. What is AE 17? New clients. Yeah, there we go. Stupid. And we'll grab new clients, annualized, new clients. I like tracking along all the data. We should see annualized new clients. Oh yeah, we didn't update that. That way I can always have the data on the row I query to see how I got to the value I wanted. We should see new clients, 53.5, great. Okay. I have something controversial but brave to say. Kendrick Lamar is meh. I can't believe you just said that in public, Anders. That's not brave. That is ridiculous. I like Kendrick a lot. Although I've always liked Kendrick. I think Kendrick has a special place in my heart because of being in college when he was blowing up. I mean, I also think Kendrick's hella talented. But the amount of drunken nights I can't remember being in the basement of my frat house listening to Kendrick. Guess brave means real dumb now, huh? I love that chat is flaming unders right now. It's my favorite thing that's happened on stream for a while. That's so straight. Dude, liking Kendrick Lamar is the gayest thing you could do. Not gonna lie. And in this stream, we stand gay people and gay rights. And if you don't like that, get the fuck out. And that also includes if you don't like Kendrick Lamar, get the fuck out. Yas Queen. I think your gay card's revoked, Anders. Sorry, I don't make the rules. The .gay TLD registry makes the rules, and liking Kendrick Lamar is part of the policy requirements. So, I'm sorry. All right. Opportunity. W24. Excellent. This will be we basically need to take repeat sales should be, which is this thing, and we'll put some parens, put that in there, and that will be that minus this. Yoink that, come over here, drop that in, and this is going to be, let's just say it's opportunity right now. I can never spell opportunity, it's the hardest word to type. Opportunity. Format. We should see we get 86 as a value for opportunity. Great. Did bad cop grab bad cop.gay after you added it? I'm not sure. Liking Kendrick Lamar is definitely far better than liking pedophilia. It's true. We can find out, right? We can go to Vercel domains.vercel.com and we can check if badcop.gay. Oh my god, she still didn't buy it. I shipped new TLDs just for Sarah and she didn't freaking buy it. But for real, shout out Bad Cop. Did Bad Cop delete? There we go. Is it like Bad Cop _? Some random Bad Cop just got a shout out. How do new TLD? How do new TLDs get created? Basically every couple years, there's a couple ways, but there's a cycle with ICANN. ICANN's like the governing body of like internet protocol regulation TLD shit. And you can basically, every couple years they have the opportunity to submit, I don't know what the right word is, but you can submit either with yourself or with an organization or with a team of companies or people or countries to introduce new TLDs. There's a bunch of steps you have to go through. You have to do like pre-interest stuff. Like the last batch is where we got like .dev, .app, like all those PhD. There's another, the next cycle is in 2 years. And I think Vercel is talking about trying to bring a couple new TLDs to market. Ones we're talking about that we'd be interested in potentially bringing forward is .sdk or .cdn. I also think it'd be cool. You can also bring new TLDs to market out of the cycle. So like at any time, if you own the trademark for the TLD. So I also want to look into us launching .v0. And then if we run the registry for .v0, we could do something like for your first deployment to Vercel from v0, you get a free .v0 domain for the first year. I think that'd be really, really cool. Kind of how we like do free.vercel.app, except here you would get a full domain, like, you know, myapp.v0, it'd be yours.
The world.
Dude, .triangle would be sick. I don't know. I have no idea if there's other TLDs with numbers in it. It's valid, as far as I know. I'm talking on Monday. There's a team trying to bring .agent in the next cycle, and I'm talking with them to see if that could be a good partnership. .agent TLD. I have a conversation with the team doing this next week. Let me see here. I'm gonna blur my screen quick. I don't want to dox my DMs. There we go. The plugin is by Finite Singularity. I always forget how this works. Screen, properties, filters, composite blur by Finite Singularity is the plugin. No, actually music helps me write code, to be honest. I almost always listen to music while I'm writing code. So yeah, we're talking with this team to see if it would make sense for Vercel to get involved. Here we go. So yeah, talking with them. So maybe Vercel helps bring like .sdk, .v0, .triangle, .cdn to market. That'd be sweet, right? Yeah, Finite Singularity does stream. Let me, can I get, I don't know their name, but I do owe bad copy. Dude, I fucking suck. I'm the worst. Dude, Sentient, you and I both are struggling today. We're just done. No more computer for the day. All right, the last one we need is this, which is W44. All right, which is the last value we just calculated, which is going to be annoying. So we're going to take from here down to here. I hate that I can't reference previous cells. Like, I wish I could just do like, you know, like opportunity here, right? That'd be so nice. If I could just reference that column alias. And this is going to get wrapped in that. And then we multiply it by O23, which, what is O23? Premium per life. Premium per life is A15 divided by 80. So it's going to be total lives. What was that number? Premium per life? AD15. Annual place premium. And we multiply that times, this will be total report row dot lives placed times total report row
describe the world
dot placed annual premium as current premium per life as current premium per life. And we should see that 153,000 number. That seems aggressively large. Let's take this value and put that in a column. Yoink. And we'll come here, throw that there as foo. Let's run that query. We should get that value. We should see this value here. Oh, we divide, not multiply. Ha! That still doesn't seem right. AF15 divided by AD15. Placed lives over placed annual premium are divided by, I might have this backwards. There we go. That's the number we were looking for. So this is going to be as, what do we call that? Placed premium? Premium per life. Premium per life. And then this means replaced annual premium. And this is lives. And we call that value. 153, I think that's the number we do end up getting. 153,8702. Yep, that's correct. Deal, Colin. How many Facebook AI researcher level AI researchers are there in the world? I have no idea, Trojan. I mean, if they're to be Facebook level, do you have to be at Facebook? V32. So we need percent income capture to 5%. Divided by U27. Where is U27 at? U27. That's the number we got off the last one? No. Rolling 12-month premium starting point. I wonder if we manually enter that. All right, so we need to figure out how to calculate this thing. That is AF15. Where does this come from? AF15. Total annual. All right, that's an easy value to crunch. And AF is the total row. Yeah. This is a really complicated bit of math here. Do you think AI researchers in big tech are smarter than researchers in big pharma? I don't know. I would bet AI researchers in big pharma are paid better than researchers in big tech. And I bet they're technically better on average. Hmm. All right, so we need to grab this value is AF15, and we said AF15 is the total annual premium placed. So we'll grab that as total report row. Oh my God. Total report row dot placed annual premium at total placed annual premium. Do we not put a comma somewhere? As premium per life. Yeah, right there. As total premium placed annual, and then we need, so we got that value, that should be 153. And then to get this one, we multiply paste that, and that gets multiplied by 0.505 divided by 0.27, which is, where's 0.27? Income percent captured. Okay, so we need to get those values. We need percent income captured. And this is going to be 0.25 minus 0.22 income per fact finder. Oh, we could join the important data points to get those pieces. Yeah, we can do that. I already have this data calculated. We can technically come down here and write a join. What is that freaking view? Important, what do we call that? Performance. Oh, it's because I have errors up above. Down here, join performance important data points as important data points on important data points dot report ID equals report dot ID. So now we have that. I don't know why I haven't been leveraging that before. As premium per life, we don't even need you anymore. Annual premium. This can be this can change the important data points dot placed annual premium. That's premium per life. There it is. Yep, premium per life. So we can get rid of this. And then we want to income captured. Income captured is 0.27, 5%. So we grab AF15, and AF15 is the total row, total report row, dot, I think it's annual premium, placed annual premium, AF15. This is really annoying. Yeah, placed annual premium times 5%. Times 0.005 divided by important data points dot income captured. Wait, do I not have that in important data points? Oh, I think we have another report. Income captured. Yeah, okay. For income captured. All right, so we have income captured there. Income captured dot total income of fact finders. Percent. We'll want to take income captured dot the ratio. Oh, if that's already a ratio, we don't have to multiply by. Yeah, that's fine. As should is foo. Is that the number we get? 314. Yeah. All right, so this is a percent income captured to 5%. Right? And now we use that value here. Which that's wait. V32. All right. Yeah, so we take this. View, yoink that. That is V32, and that needs divided by U27, which is the rolling 12-month premium, which I think is the total from the report, right? 153,917. Yeah. So that would be report, total report row dot placed annual premium. And then the rest of the formula we divide by, or we multiply by W45, which is the value that is from the last current premium life. All right, hold on here. And what we say, we times multiply that by this. As current should be premium per life I'm so bad at spelling opportunity. Opportunity. And this can actually become opportunity. Like, this is an insane formula right here. Like, that's crazy. I don't know, we think this works? Yeah, this is probably going to end up becoming a materialized view, Fleet Fox. I mean, the data is never going to get that large in this app, even like at its full scale. And we can process this in the background. We got the right value. The good thing is too that this is all indexed really well. I can get an explain. Index scan, index scan. We have a full scan on. That's pretty bad. We could probably fix that. Yeah, this could probably be cleaned up. But right now, it doesn't matter. We're not going to have performance problems for a long time because our data is going to be small for a long time. I want to see Dylan do some really low-level coding, force the web dev to program some shaders or something. I have like an interest. I don't know. I like Rust. I have an interest in Zig, but I don't have anything I'd want to build with them. And I have a ton of things I want to build outside of this project. All right, we at least get the right value there. I think that's the whole table, right? Yeah, we got it all. We can drop percent income captured to 5%. Although we'll leave that because we're going to need that in a minute. All right, let's grab this beast. Yoink.
Functions describe the world.
And we're going to make a new view over here in DB in our schema and drop down to the bottom.
Describe
just paste
the
that in.
world.
Comment that. And we'll grab you. Paste you there. This will be, what was the name of this column we're looking at? Improvements? No, repeat sales opportunity. Repeat sales opportunity. Repeat sales opportunity. And this thing is going to have a, I don't think we need annual premium on there. Grab this beast. And we're gonna drop that in here. And then get rid of that. And let's just open this over here. I want to see all the columns. Can Can I view it as JSON? There we go. There we go. That looks good. Then we want number of households. Number of households. This would be number of households. Take that. That will be repeat sale should be. Is that really what the value is? Repeat sales. Repeat sales should be. And then we have repeat sales opportunities, annualized placed lives, annualized placed lives. And this will be annualized new clients. Annualized new clients. This will be estimated actual repeat sales. Estimated actual repeat sales. And then this will be opportunity. Same with that. Yoink. Opportunity becomes current premium per life opportunity. Yoink that. And then this can become S current becomes should be. And the last one we need is percent income captured to 5%. Percent income captured to 5%. Yeah. Let's do a tweet here. This is a good tweet. Thinks that. Can we format this? All right, let me catch up on chat. Thank you for the follows, by the way. Volt, Rajar, I Love JavaScripts, Weird Divide, Ku Reed, Index Zero. If you guys are still around, appreciate all y'all. Are you joining views that are aggregation to the same data set? Yeah, we talked about that. Yeah, we'll fix it later. Want to see crazy? Oh yeah, some recursive stuff going on. Yeah, I've been in this world before. It's been a couple years. Well, not really, actually. It's nice. I like writing SQL because you can just break your problems down into tiny bits and compose them back together. Wanted to ask how you're managing stores in R10. What are you using? I'm using Stripe. Or you mean data stores? I'm using Supabase and Postgres right now. All right, where is 10? All right, we're gonna have to run this migration. So let's jump down, make sure we're saved. Come here, we're gonna run Jizzle generate. Heavy radioactive man. Nice. Why is it dropping 10.3.1? What'd we change with 10.3.1? Whatever. That still seems right though. Okay, ran. So we should now see that we have this same view rather than in this query here. We should have it over here. Or where's my database? Refresh views. There it is, sales opportunity. And yeah. Okay, good. We can come into our code and get that to the UI now. Let's go to our types. We have a types in here. I don't even care about commenting this stuff.
Functions describe the world.
And we call this, what is this? Repeat sales opportunity. Repeat sales opportunity. Change repeat sales opportunity. There we go, chat. Would you look at that? And then when we query our report, on here, there's going to be a get. This query is like one of our most expensive ones here, but that's okay. We take this and we do in here. We'll yoink you, paste you in here. This will be performance metric report, repeat sales opportunity by report ID. Okay, we have that now. Oops. We'll do this. Yoink that. Come here. This will be repeat sales opportunity promise. Execute. Put you in here. And then we have you. All right, that gets sent out there. And now in the page server, we get that, and that's going to come back on our report, right? We should see rows, performance metric row, and we join all that stuff on it. The summary, yep, which means now in page.svelte, we get that, we pass it into here. Client dashboard has it in here. And we have repeat sales opportunity. And this will be performance. Do that. And then down here we can render, we'll render another, we're going to need another div. And this is going to be a column. And in here we're going to yoink a row. And we can get rid of you. And we don't need you. And in this, we want to grab, we can now make our component for repeat sales opportunity. And let's copy this from, what is this most like here? It's probably most like the important data points. Right, I think we're gonna end up, that's not good. We'll fix that in a second. Important data points, I'll put that over here, throw that in there. Close that and go back to our client dashboard. And in here we can render now repeat sales opportunity and data initially is going to be, it's going to render the same component as this. All right, so we have this thing that's saying that repeat sales should be, does not exist. Not good. Should be, repeat sales should be. And what do we have that repeat sale should be? Come on, Drizzle. Am I having problems connecting to Supabase? I am having problems connecting to Supabase. Is Supabase down? I'm not in any of those zones though. Max client connections reached. That's an interesting problem to have. Strange. I don't like that error surfaced the whole way to the UI. That's pretty bad. All right, what are we missing here? From clause entry performance. Right there. Okay, there we go. We want to make this, oh yeah, we want to change these styles. Let's go fix those styles. We have the data now for important data points. It's this guy. I mean, we could stack them, right? Like, what does this look like as a... That's not what we wanted. This next one. It would be nice to have those side by side. I think eventually I'm going to combine these two cards into one here. I want this to not text wrap. I put that on the wrong one. That's fine. All right, so that did push it off. That's closer to what I want though. Minus that pushing it over. And if we come in here and we do I think I could put grow on here. And that might help it. Or we could do like flex 1. Here, we'll just do this in the browser. See if we can get it. All right, we'll come in here and we want to grab you, and you're not in a flex. That is a flex, and the flex is a column. Wait. Yeah. Okay. And this will be a flex call. And we want it to... Oh, really, it would be width full, huh? We do give it width full. So we give 10.3.1, not width full, I guess. Max width none. Wait, what? It's arc. Sorry, yeah. Trying to figure out what's going on here. On how to not make that overflow. It's like, you need like a overflow. Yeah, that's what we want. Oh, that's interesting. That's changing something. I just can't see the scroll bar here. So the top row grew. All right, so it grew outside that, grew outside that. So this row grew outside of its parent. So what happens if I put overflow hidden on this one? That's not quite what I want. So I don't want the scroll bar down there. I hate these problems. I hate these problems so much. Like that, minus the shaking, seems good. Like kind of like what we want. except when it grows, it pushes it off the screen. However, when we first render, it's fine. So what happens here that this is occurring? This div is being overflowed. Overflow X. So there we get that. It's like damn it. Damn it. Why? It's so infuriating. I hate CSS so much, especially when it comes to this stupid replace all the components with divs that have width full and have different background colors. The other thing we could do is we could switch to using grid. That's actually not the worst idea. Is refactoring to CSS grid. I need to migrate to Tailwind 4. Grid. Yeah. Let's just switch to grid, I guess. It's going to be easier to do this kind of a layout than fighting flex. So we're going to want grid, and it's going to be a grid rows 2. And then in here, this will be grid, and that's going to have, that's a row. So we'll have grid rows 2 and grid calls 2. And then in here, gap 4, it'll be a grid. It'll have grid rows is going to be 1. Key metrics, or this is 2, grid calls 1. Down here, this is going to become grid.
Functions describe
I think it's the same thing, right? We have self-assessment. It's 1 column and 2 rows. And then this will be this will be grid. Gap 2 is what we had, right? Gap 2 is in there? Yeah. Gap 2, grid. It's going to be grid rows 1, grid calls 2. And then we'll just fuck it, we're just going to do the same thing. And we can go 16K, 16J. In fact, we can grid rows, still have 1 right now. All right, what do you think we got that on the first try? All right, let me catch up on chat here. S sucks. Yeah, I think you're right. What's your view on Svelte? I like Svelte and SvelteKit. I don't know if I like it more than React and Next, but I like it for simple things. I do feel like I can move faster with React and Next.js and have more of an intuition on how to build things right the first time. But that's probably because I've been writing React since it basically came out in 2014. I like the simplicity of the data fetching and the file-based routing in SvelteKit, and the APIs are really good. They're a lot simpler than Next to like learn and understand and just like instinctually know what to use, which I guess is kind of at odds with what I just said. I've been working on this project for a couple months. There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes, like data processing. We have payments. We have a fully baked authentication system. The data schema is designed so it'd be easy to migrate to multi-tenant. I do want to, sometime maybe next week, I want to migrate our job queue that's running on fly.io to Vercel to run on Fluid Compute, because that will save money. There's no reason this needs to be a long-running process now. Astro with learning as a beginner, if it excites you. If you would be excited to build with Astro, I think it'd be great to learn as a beginner. Let's see here. Okay, so we got something working here. Interesting. I mean, it got close, right? We lost some stuff here. Okay. The good thing is Grid gives us some easy tools to work with this. So for our key metrics, this is actually going to have, let's say this is going to be 4 rows, right? We'll do that. And then we can come on here and we can like wrap this guy in a div. Do that. That actually class equals, and you do like call span, and it's gonna span, or row span, and it's gonna row span 2. Maybe not. Sorry, chat. Oh, I put that on the wrong thing. Yeah, let me go shut my door quick. All right, so we want to really wrap this one in a div, right? And then we're going to say this is going to be a row span of 3. Or, yeah, not 2. And now that div should stretch down if we look. Yeah. So let's just say it's going to actually be a row span 2. And we'll say, yeah, it just gives us a way easier way to lay out things. I need to use grid more. I always like get scared of it, and then it's way easier to lay things out. That's really ugly because it's large. We could do even something like I don't want this to grow. Like, how do I set? I don't want that one row to. I mean, that looks decent, but like, I don't want this to grow. Fall apart. Where did I put Tailwind? Here we go. Is it possible to... There we go. I want something like this. Right? I don't want this thing to grow to fit the frickin'... Okay. So that did what we wanted there. Now I just want to push this thing up. All right, I think I could probably ask AI on how to do this. Yoink that, go to here. Actually, we can probably ask V0. Height fit? Maybe. Update key metrics row such that it doesn't grow, or its row size is only as big as its content. So you said we should look at height fit. Isn't that what I put on? I have height fit on that. Do I put height fit on this? Yeah, that seems like it worked actually. Nice. Almost. Grid rows auto should work, I guess. Yeah. Maybe. Whoa. Grid rows auto. How did we do this? Grid rows 2. Why did you grow so large? Grid calls 2, grid rows 2. Do I do the same thing here? Do we just do auto everywhere? And then we'll just come back and we'll come up and fix everything. Does it change if I... Very good. Very good. Glad this is working. I hate CSS. Like, that's close. All right, chat. I gotta wrap up anyways. It's 10 o'clock. We will be back tomorrow. Let's see here. Where is my Twitch? Let's go raid. See if we can find someone new to raid. Game dev, UI, blah, C#, Godot, Christoph. Dude, so much game dev. Russian, or not, guess Russian, I don't know. C++. There we go. We'll raid this guy. We've never raided them before. All right, chat, go show this lovely dude writing some TypeScript and SQL some love here.